Yo, what's up, guys? It's Andrew from Garagebandprofessional.com. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your music to SoundCloud, iTunes, and YouTube. So let's just get right into it. It shouldn't take long at all today, even though I say that in every tutorial. So I got my track right here. It's ready to go. Frankly, it's actually not done yet, but I'm going to do a video on how to upload this stuff, so I needed something to upload. I'm just going to play it for you because I actually kind of like the way it sounds so far. Anyway, I actually like this beat a lot. I'm just going to add a few more things to it. So yeah, if you want to put it to iTunes, it's honestly incredibly simple. You just go go to share, song to iTunes, name the song. We'll just say 116, my producer name. So you get all your details filled in. Hit share. Boom. Now you just gotta wait. There you go. Now we're in. And that's as simple as that, man. It's simple as that. So you want to get it to SoundCloud? Same thing. Share, song to SoundCloud. Put your titles in and shit. Titles in. Allow downloading. That's what I do anyway. Go share. Just gotta take a few moments. The more sophisticated thing to do is to upload it to YouTube. That actually took me a little while to figure out, but it's really not that hard. It's kind of funny because when you do these things so many times, you start to realize that like not everybody knows how to do something, even though it seems so simple to you. It seems like second nature at this point because I've done it so many times. So yeah, I'm on my SoundCloud now. Go to my tracks. There it is. It's right here. So you want to add a picture. Let's just let's type in let's choose a picture. I have an upright bass in it, so I'm just gonna type in upright bass images. What I like to do is I like to go into tools, go to usage rights, and I choose the one that's labeled for reuse. And the reason why I do that is I just do it because frankly I don't know, like maybe someday someone will want to sue me for using their image, you know what I mean? So I just try to use the ones that are public domain. Because it would suck to have, something blow up on YouTube and then, have it blow up on YouTube and then, all of a sudden you're hit with like a copyright claim and you have to take it down or something or someone leeches all the revenue that you made on account of this image. So anyway, yeah, you save the image. I usually put it to my desktop. I find that that's the easiest thing to do. And then you go edit. You can choose your genre, hip hop, blah, blah, blah. I usually add a bunch of tags, hip hop. It's kind of annoying. Rap, upright bass, nylon, guitar. Nylon, guitar, and so on and so forth. You can put a description in if you want. It's not a bad idea to do that. So go to your desktop, upload the image. Where are you? There we go, double bass. And you go save changes. Boom, now you got your song up. So yeah, I mean, that's what you do, man. It's really not too sophisticated. However, it isn't ready yet, so I'm going to delete it. I'm going to delete this bad boy. Delete forever. There we go. So now it's gone. All right, so let's upload it to YouTube now. This takes a little more time. It's really not that sophisticated though either. So now that what I like to do is I pretty much always upload it to iTunes first, and the reason for that is because it's better for uploading it to YouTube. So I grab it, select it, drag it to the desktop like that. Where are you? It's right here. 116. Open your iMovie. Make sure you download iMovie if you don't have it. I use it every day, man. I love iMovie. It's pretty dope. Someday I'll get Final Cut Pro, but for now I don't really need it, so I just use iMovie. Just drag and drop it in here. Come on, where are you? It's a good idea to perhaps bring the volume down a little bit because you don't want it to be distorted. So bring it down to like 89%. So it's not going to be as loud as it could be, but I mean, you don't want it to be distorted when you upload it into YouTube because then it's going to ruin it. So anyway, now it's we got it in, right? We got it in. So now we're going to grab the picture and we're going to throw the picture in here as well. We're going to loop the picture so it matches the length of the song. That way the image runs for the entire length of the song. What I usually do is I click this square, go fit, and then there you go. So now you have an image to go along with the song. Now I usually add a title as well. I usually put my producer name in here. So I choose this one, line, and then I usually run it for the whole length of the song as well. There we go. There. See, now you got the video. Now you go file, share. Export it to desktop, call it whatever you want. We'll just call it the same number I used before. So now you're ready to export it, hit save. It's amazing how much time goes by. This feels like I've been doing this for 30 seconds, but it's already been 10 minutes. So yeah, you just have to wait. Wait for a second. Your computer is going to start making all kinds of noise and stuff. I don't know why I'm so tired. Just gotta keep waiting. It's coming. I'm hungry. I feel like it's taking too long today, man. Taking way too long. Hurry up. Hurry up. There, we're done. So let's exit out of this. Now we got our, oh, here it is. It's right here. So it's up. I usually put it to the desktop always. I always put it on the desktop. Go into your YouTube. Now make sure you're signed into your account. I have multiple accounts, so it's best to make sure you're signed into the right one. Every once in a while, I'll accidentally upload it to the wrong channel, which is a bit of a pain. So you go select files to upload, choose your video, give it the title that you want. I usually put what kind of beat it is: guitar beats, bright bass, hip hop, and then I throw in my my social medias and stuff. I would write a little description as well. Throw in these tags if you want. I don't think it really matters if you put these tags in, frankly. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it, man. And then you just wait for it to upload. And then when it's done uploading, you hit publish once it hits 100%. And yeah, that's it. That's literally it. You just hit publish, you're good to go. And I guess that's it for this video. And I'm going to stop recording. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right?